Why do dogs fear vacuum cleaners? Is it the noise, the size, or are they just secretly plotting their escape? Let's be real. Vacuum cleaners are basically giant noise monsters that swoop in, take over, and never leave. No wonder they're terrified. But vacuum cleaners aren't alone. Blenders? Nope. Hairdryers? Big nope. Dogs just don't trust loud, whirring machines that act like they're in charge. It's not just the noise, it's the mystery. These machines are like the unpredictable villains in their daily routine. But here's the twist. When they're with you, they're brave enough to face the world, even the vacuum. Oh, let's keep them cozy, safe, and maybe distract them when it's cleaning time.